What is going on, guys? Josh over with Cerberus. I've kind of a cool one today. So this customer drove out all the way from Ontario to come see us, get the full Cerberus treatment on this F350. This is a 2024 F350 Platinum with pretty much everything done to it. So it has an any level lift kit on it. It's got the train horn. Now it has a full wrap, full color match, all done by us. So first step for this build was dealing with some of the corrosion. You know, the customer had powder coating on the any level lift. That's a big money kit. It's already rusty, doesn't look very good. So we pulled the whole kit out, put our body liner on everything, reinstalled it, did a lot of color matching on the front, got rid of all that platinum chrome. And then the customer kind of decided right at the end there, you know what? Let's give it the full protection. So paint protection wrap with the SunTech Stealth. So now we have, you know, that nice matte look with some gloss accents. All that chrome is color matched. Any level lifts protected. Things looking sweet. I want to show you a couple details. Come with me here. I'm on the mirrors here. Mirrors with our ultra smooth body liner. We got the side badges done as well. Underneath here on the any level kit, after we pulled it out, did the body liner, we dry ice blasted the whole undercarriage and then put our ceramic undercoating on there. So that's the Aegis ceramic undercoating. Gives it a really nice glossy look, and it means it's protected as well. Some of the other details we did, so we took off all of the badging there. It was red, painted it black, blacked out the side steps. Down the side here, we kind of wanted to keep a bit of a two-tone going. So we have the stealth wrap up top, and then we have clear PPF on the bottom here. Color match the side steps there. So body color, black, and then body color again. From the side, pulled all the little plastics apart in the bumper, same deal. And then this is one of my favorite parts of the truck. We did the tailgate applique. So I really like doing a contrasting color in the tailgate applique. So you have body color and all the lettering, and then Ford agate black is what we went with for that. Did a little bit of smoking on the tail lights there, and that is about it, guys. So yeah, any level lift, fully protected, fully color matched, fully customized. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for us. We gotta get this truck back to a very excited client in Ontario. If you're local to Calgary, you don't mind making the drive, come see us, Cerberus Calgary. We'd love to talk about your next project.